Hello everyone, this is Veda and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen Bee. I'm a fashion and beauty influencer and also a self-taught makeup artist. I don't know if you have noticed already, but my lips are looking quite bigger today. No, I haven't applied any lip filler. So in this video is all about how to make your lip look really big as if you have injected some lip filler. So let's get started. I have already done my eye makeup, and before doing my lip makeup, first I'm going to do my face makeup. So let's start. First I'm going to apply a foundation. Oh, and one more thing, before applying foundation, make sure to moisturize your face. I have already moisturized my face, so I'm going to just start with the foundation now. I'm applying the foundation with my beauty blender. You can apply foundation with your bare hands too, but since it gets too messy, so I always choose a beauty blender or a beauty blender brush. Now I'm going to play with light and shadow, which means highlighting and contouring. Please notice where I am placing the highlighter. Wrong placement of highlighter or contour could make your face look saggy and old. Now blending the highlighter with my beauty blender. Now we are going to enhance our lip, and for that take a dark brown shades lip liner and overdraw the lip just the way I am doing it. So notice carefully. Before start drawing the lip lines, I will recommend that you pucker your lips. In this way you will get a better idea of where to draw the lip line. Then open your lips and correct if there is any error in the lip lining. Now fill the inner part with a nude shade. Now I'm taking this dark brown shade pencil again and I'm going to blend this color with this inner color. Just like that. Oh, my lips are looking so much bigger, as if I have added some lip filler. If you want to add more definition to your lip, then you can just add on a white colored eyeshadow and you can just apply it in your lips, just in the middle part. Now I'm going to finish rest of my face makeup. Now I'm going to add some bronzer. I'm applying some blusher. And now applying some golden highlighter. My lip and face makeup is done. And now I'm going to wear a beautiful dress, wear some jewelry and a beautiful wig, and let me show you the final look. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen V, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My IDs are given in the description, and my IDs are Veda Chat and The Real Queen V. Bye guys, see you next time.